Structural temps on the starboard wing are rising too fast.
Acknowledged. Reducing fluid flow to manifold C. Watch the ultrasonic data closely.
Where you don't go. The technical restoration of this historic B-17 bomber is underway. Hot water jets expand the cap. Continuing the survey of the fuselage, the aluminum is in remarkable condition.
This confirms the heavy lift logistics for the B-17 fuselage.
Perfect. Let's get this finalized so the team can mobilize.
Look at the stress concentration at the wing root. It's turning deep red.
That matches the critical buckling mode. We are approaching the maximum permissible limit.
Pressure stabilized on line 2.
Check the main output voltage now. We need full capacity.
All right, power up the main pump now. Clear flow established. The filtration screens are holding steady.
The current bracing isn't enough to compensate for the pressure differential.
If we adjust the angle of these struts, we might distribute the load more effectively.
Finalizing the alignment sequence. Power levels look nominal.
Green across the board. The link is secure.
Ensure the seal around the Alpha 3 outlet is tight. We can't risk any migration.
Confirmed. The booms are pressurized and holding steady.
This pulley system is your lifeline in a crevasse fall. Ensure the anchor is secure before anyone goes down. Remember, the B-17 cavity is unstable.
Pressure's spiking on the manifold.
It's within tolerance. Go for main injection.
Structural temps on the starboard wing are rising too fast.
Acknowledged. Reducing fluid flow to manifold C. Watch the ultrasonic data closely.
Where you don't go. The technical restoration of this historic B-17 bomber is underway. Hot water jets expand the cavity. Continuing the survey of the fuselage, the aluminum is in remarkable condition.
Okay, easy now. Set it right there by the spar.
Firing up the dehumidifier. Stand clear of the intake.
Hold up, I think I see something forward.
Is that the payload stabilization?
Could be live, careful moving past it.
The leather case is saturated, but the markings are still visible.
Noted. We'll stabilize it now before the temperature fluctuates again.
Throttle quadrant appears jammed at 70%. Manifold pressure gauge stuck at 45 inches.
I've got a high-res shot of that reading now. Confirmed column is fully forward.
Torque wrench secure. Pin set.
Roger that. Initiating tension sequence 1.
Watch the deflection on the rear mounts.
I'm seeing a spike on sensor 12. Hold the load steady. Primary extraction sequence initiated. Maintain controlled speed. Eyes on the cables and the airframe stability.
Load cell reading is stable at 50 tons. We need a slight adjustment on line 3.
Copy that. Adjusting tension now.
Easy now. Watch the fuselage clearance.
Clear. Bring the lightweight brace up.
Ratchet engaged. Make sure that seam is completely sealed.
Okay, moving to the forward hatch now.
Secure that crossbeam now. Mind the wind.
It's tight on this side. We need more slack on the tarp.
As outlined in the plan, John's team handles the engine mounts first. We must ensure strict adherence to the safety protocols for these wet aluminum components.
Reaching final torque stage.
Green light. Data logged at 2500. Watch the moisture on this connector.
Yeah, I got the photo documentation.
Okay, pulling the plug now. It's out.
Check the flow rate on that gauge there.
Okay, adjusting the bypass valve now. We're almost done with this drum.
Keep going, pull the trigger.
It's moving, I got it.
All right, clear the area, watch the stabilizer.
She's clear of the mounts.
All right, start tracking back slowly, watch the swing. Make sure that hub is sealed tight.
Copy that. Moving it now.
The laser says we're within tolerance here. Double check the foam alignment.
The thermal reading on the climate control looks good, sir.
Keep it steady, watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Copy that. Increasing tension on winch 3.
Coming down 2 meters. Easy now. Roger that. Holding steady. Keep it steady. Watch the left side. All Almost there. Throttle up. Easy now. Bring it down another 2 meters. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Clear on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Lowering to the main stands now.
VOC levels stable at 0.02.
Adjusting flow rate to compensate for the humidity spike.
Okay, the helmet is logged, B-17-042, weight stable at 1.2 kilograms.
Noted. I have the radio tubes ready for photography and packing.
Be advised, surface texture is degrading. Proceeding slowly. Noted.
Secure the clamp before lifting.
Look at the intergranular corrosion along this joint. We need to tag this immediately.
Yes, I'm getting a high reading on the scope right here.
This section of the wing spar is showing critical fatigue levels. We need to look at the eddy current data.
The stress analysis report confirms this row here, the 24ST aluminum, the NDT status is confirmed replaced, correct?
Yes, we need to add that to the master replacement list immediately.
We need 2 millimeters up on station 5.
Copy that. Adjusting now.
Lock it down.
Okay, the cut's clean. Here's the next blanket.
Got it. We need more adhesive near the edge.
We need a fine adjustment on mount 2.
Applying torque now. Check the readout.
Perfect alignment, hold it there. We need more tension on the forward bolts. Check the laser alignment again.
Holding steady at 3 degrees, engineer.
Are these caps rated for the B-17 panels?
Yes, they match the spec sheets exactly.
Keep pulling the slack through the next station. All right, I've got it secured at clamp 7. Test sequence complete. Illumination is good on all 3.
Confirmed. Ready for logging.
Testing 1, 2, 3. How do you read in the radio room?
I read you loud and clear, cockpit.
Roger that. System check complete.
We've still got some pitting here on the piston wall.
And look at this impact near the blade tip. That must be from the crash landing.
Easy now, just a few more inches down.
Looks good. We are aligned on the mounts. Set her down.
Advancing throttles to the gate. Check the tension on the firewall side.
Confirmed. Movement is smooth and synchronized.
All right, try calling ground control on 3-5.
Roger that. We are receiving you. Over.
That's 50 foot-pounds. Should be secure.
All right, let's check the traverse and elevation.
Ensure the gap is flush before you tighten that. It's flush. Hitting it with the gun now.
Travel up, coming back down now.
Checked. Looks good from here.
And left rudder shifting to right. Manifold pressure holding steady at 60 inches. How are the cylinder temps looking?
Climbing to the red line on engine 3, but stable. Oil pressure is good.
Here is the certificate of airworthiness for the B-17 experimental category. Congratulations on a successful restoration.
Thank you. We appreciate the rigorous review and approval.
The rates. The inspection interval for the landing gear actuator needs adjustment based on the overhaul date.
Check section 7 of the manual.
The 100-hour flight check is scheduled. Maintaining airworthiness required strict adherence to this calendar.
Simulating catastrophic failure on engine 2.
Okay, running the emergency checklist. Oil pressure dropping rapidly.
Keep her steady, watch the airspeed.
Manifold spray is consistent. What's the thermal readout?
Green across the board. The boots are heating evenly.
Activating test sequence, zone 3.
Roger, confirm deployment in the Minnesota. Good pressure and saturation.
Okay, that bolt torqued. This section is solid.
Looks good.
Let's start on the next row forward. Okay, holding at 2,500.
Confirmed.
That's within tolerance.
Cycling flaps now. How's the synchronization look on your end?
Looks good from here. Inboard and outboard segments are perfectly synchronized.
Make sure the straps are tight on the cowling.
Got it. Don't forget the static ports.
Pressure set to flight level 20 liter. Reading 20,000, 0 feet. Tapping now, looks good.
Okay, bring it around slowly.
The light just hit the mark.
Confirmed. Lock it down.